Okay, we're going to continue on doing our ABG tic-tac-toe. It's here to analyze the scenarios and lab values we're being presented. So go ahead and pause the video, read this question number 4, and try and determine what you think the patient may be experiencing. All right, now go ahead and use the scenario to fill out your ABG tic-tac-toe to see if you are correct. And hopefully your tic-tac-toe looked like this. Your patient's pH was 7.5. That's greater than 7.45, so it's over here with alkalosis. Your patient's carbon dioxide was 40. Normal is 35 to 45. Carbon dioxide falls within that normal range. And the bicarbonate was 34. Normal 21 to 28. 34 is greater than 28, so it comes over here to alkalosis. pH lines up with alkalosis, so we know we're dealing with an alkalosis. When we see bicarbonate, again, what do we think? We think metabolic. CO2 would be respiratory. We have bicarbonate here, so it's a metabolic alkalosis. Go ahead and pause the video, read through here, and figure out what you think might be going on. So hopefully your tic-tac-toe came out like this one. So in the scenario, the patient had a pH of 7.12, which is less than 7.35. The patient had a carbon dioxide of 70, which is greater than 45 carbon dioxide, and the bicarb was 24, I think. So 21 to 28 is the normal, bicarb was the normal. So my pH lines up with acidosis. Carbon dioxide represents respiratory. We have a respiratory acidosis. Go ahead and pause the video, read your scenario. Based on the scenario, what do you think is happening? Once you've done your ABG tic-tac-toes, did that confirm what you thought was happening? So let's look at the solution here. The pH was 7.57. That's greater than 7.45, so it's over here on alkalosis. Carbon dioxide was 37. That's in between 35 and 45. Carbon dioxide is normal. And bicarb is 30. Normal is 21 to 28. 30 is greater than 28, so it's over here on the alkalosis. Looking at our tic-tac-toe grid here, pH indicates we have an alkalosis. Bicarbonate represents metabolic. We're looking at metabolic alkalosis. And pause the video and read our final question here. What do you think is going on without doing your tic-tac-toe, just looking at the description here? And then go ahead and complete your tic-tac-toe to determine if indeed you were correct with what the patient was experiencing. So let's look here. The patient had a pH of 7.61, which is greater than 7.45, so it's over on the alkalosis side. CO2 of 22 is less than 35, over on the alkalosis side. Bicarbonate of 25 is within the normal range. So we're looking at alkalosis. CO2 represents respiratory. It is a respiratory alkalosis.